Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorials brought to you by Photoshop Elements Custom Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with today's poster. Wanted to know how to help this photo of these cool fireworks. Basically, the complaint was that it's all pixelated. Um, Honestly, there's not much you're going to be able to do with the pixelation. Digital photo this far away, when you zoom in, you're going to see all these pixelations because there's no camera that's going to be able to make this background really, really smooth or sharp. Unless you had, a really expensive $100,000 digital camera. This is just, there's no way to fix that part. But you can help the photo by lessening that effect by giving it more contrast, especially because this is fireworks at night. What you want to see is a brighter, more colorful explosions above or in front of a darker background. So we're talking about brightness and contrast as being the issue, less of the digital noise. So what we're going to do is first choose that layer, go to Enhance, Adjust Lighting, and Brightness Contrast. Now watch, what we're going to do here is basically bringing up the contrast is going to help most of everything. By doing that, now you see the extra contrast makes the colors stand out. Now we're going to darken the background by bringing the brightness down. See that? We're going to bring the brightness down. We can go all the way low, go all the way bright, and somewhere in between, bring it a little bit lower like that. And we like that right around there. I'm going to go back to the contrast and show you what happens when I brighten it or lower the contrast. You see what happens. So if we just lower the brightness and bring the contrast up, that pretty much fixes almost everything. Look at the before. When I toggle here the preview, before and after. Before and after. And now we've got this really nice colorful fireworks, but let's actually bring out the color even more. Go to Enhance, Adjust Color, Adjust Hue and Saturation, and watch what happens. On the saturation, if we can bring it all the way down, or we can bring it all the way bright, but why don't we do something like kind of in the middle? I'd say right around here. Look at that. It makes these fireworks really super colorful. I'm going to toggle this before and after. Before and after. It's really subtle, but it's much more colorful this way. And the lightness, now we can make it brighter, or we can bring the lightness down a little bit like that. And we like that right around there at -15. Once again, before, after, before, after. And that's it for this tutorial. This is Rich, calling it quits, saying over and out.